Alright guys, I'm here again with another kind of trick and tips I use. Okay, on Sportybet you always think of tips on how you can always win. Okay, check around and find a way how you can win and beat them. Now this is another type of game I normally play, especially I take risks on this normally. I can bet 100,000, because I know it's sure for me. Okay, but I don't pick much odd. So this is what I normally do. I do play this game on live only, and when I'm about playing the game, I always play a game when is 65-72 minutes to finish points. Okay, then when we have half time, like maybe 32-30, then in half time, before half time, when it's 32 minutes, just like Brazil and Colombia and Brazil, this is what I do. I will play the game, I will check the game under 1.5. you see this game here, 1.5 under is 1.03. so I'll pick this, which means before the end of half time they are not going to score more than one goal. Okay, and it's 33 minutes, so you need to calculate the time being. Okay, you need to calculate the minutes, because it's possible some club can score within 10 minutes, they can score 2 goals, while some can't. You have to know the kind of match and how strong the match is. Okay, now see, I've picked this one. Though the odd is small, you should be saying, what did I want to do with this? But don't worry, when you pick like 5 or 10, you have 1 point something. And when you put stake 100,000, like 1.2, you stake $100. That $100 will give you 120. Okay, now just listen to what I'm saying. Just watch and see. I've picked this one now. Let me show you another one. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. You see, Ecuador and Venezuela, they're playing 1-1 first half, so there's a possibility that they must score 1 goal. So let's check. You need to check if they will give it over 2.5. If there is, that means okay. Now you see, over 2.5, they gave 1.40. Good. But before you do this, check the statistics. Check how the game goes. Let's check. Okay, we're on the game now. You see, 1-1 up first half, then screw. I want to check how they play. Okay, now it's 40. Okay, look at the ball possession, 49-51, which means this game is strong. This game is very strong. Then dangerous attack. Check the dangerous attack. Is 28-31. Wow, which means there's a possibility that there must be a good first half. Okay. See the attack here, ball save 55%, 36%. So corner, on target, this is 2-1, 5 attempts, 2. Okay, we have 7 attempts, so definitely they are going to score. So I pick them over 2.5, and you're very fast because the odds do change as the time goes. 2.5. Now you can see I have 1.70 odd. Actually, I've picked some game. Okay, let's go to Brazil. I've picked Brazil already. No, it's under 2. Now I don't take this one. It's 37 minutes. So this I have to look for one they give over 2. No, they give over 4, so I'm not playing this. So there's no, we don't have a lot of game tonight. So this kind of game do work during the weekend. During the weekend, that's how I do make my money. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have a lot of games, and you see games a lot. We'll give over 2 in first half, under, and the rest. So then you can pick. Like this, I'm not playing them. So let's just say I've picked 4 games already. Where are the games at? Okay, let's go back. No. Okay, let's check this one. No, I'm not playing this thing. So let's just say we have just 2 games here. So these are the 2 games I picked now. It's Ecuador and these people. So let me show you something. I'm not too sure on this because. So let's remove this one. So that you're not going to mix and say what I taught you. Okay, so we have one left. There's no other one. We cannot add any other one again except no. We cannot add anyone. Okay, now it's not 40. Now we can add this. Let's say 5 minutes time. That's a risk. Let's just take it. No go. Let's add it. So 3. But if you're doing this, if you're taking this kind of fish, don't take on club and do score just like this big club, like just Chelsea, man. You don't try it because they can score in 42 minutes, 43. So I'm just doing this because they hardly conceive a goal here. So now I have 2 points, 2.11. So I'm gonna stake my money here now. Weekend I just stake 10,000, 100,000, kind of thing, some kind of game. So I'm staking this whole thing you're seeing on my screen. Place a bet, pump. So I've staked this. I will show you if this game won or not. Okay, let me tell you more thing. So the way I do play this game, like if you see this here, 75 Colorado Rapid, we have 75 minutes, which is 1-1. In normal game, just like in those big club like England and Spain leagues, they do give such. If you see such thing, they will give them under 3. You see something like under 3, over 3. The odd will be small, or under 4. So I will pick under 3. You understand? Because before the game, it's very hard to see them score 2 goals, So, but if you don't want to take that chances, some of them do give them under 4, like this. So you pick the under 4, it can be 1.0 something. You just add this. If you add like 5, almost points, 50 or 60 something odd. Then when we take 100,000, that's 160,000 for you. You see what I'm saying? But the one I normally do, I don't always pick on over. Don't always pick on over because sometimes you see them score 2 goals in first half, but before the end of the game, you will surprise that nobody will score. The game might end 2-2. So we have more chances on under than over, because under like this game now. Let me show you one game. Okay, let's use this one too. Like this one, there is 77 minutes. Okay, you can see they can give them under 4 points. During weekend, you see game like this under 4 points, or maybe you see 70 minutes, 65 minutes, and they are scoring. They have 1 goal. You will not put under 4, under 3. The best option you pick the lower one, which is under 4, like 2 goal interval. You understand? Then you calculate your time and see. This is 77 minutes, which means in less than 16 or 15 minutes, they cannot score more than 2 goals. You understand? So that's why you have to pick under 4. You cannot score more than 2 goals. So when you pick that under 4, but if you want to take that, look, it's almost 78. Let's just say in 10 minutes interval, you can pick under 3, which means within 10 minutes, they can't score more than 1 goal. So when you pick like 5 or 6, you see the odds you have. Put a better money, but you won't lose. You win that game. So this is how I do play live bets, live game. This one they are not going to give them because they gave over 3. Don't take this way, so they might play 1-1 till the end. It means they gave over 2. Yes, it's still okay. So this is how I play. This is one of the tricks. So I will show you the other game. So let's just play. I'm just praying that this goal didn't score. Oh no. Oh, okay, 45 minutes. 45 minutes, yeah. Remaining Brazil. Let me see. This was 45. Alright, you see, this is what I'm saying now. They did not score, but some they did score. That's why you have to give it 1 goal interval. So you see, now we are waiting for this to go over 2. I bet you they will score for, let's say, before 60-70 minutes they will score because they are both trying. The match is tough. Okay, so let's just hold on. Alright, you see this game now. I've won this one. So this is how to play on these tips. So, but you have to be very careful when you pick. You have to be very careful. With this, you can always take 1 million there. You can risk 1 million. You have the mind of risking. You see, I told you they will score. So now, Venezuela has scored 2-1. So I've won that one. So this is how I do play, but I can still play this again. Like you see, it's 70 minutes now. So what should we do now? Just click on it and check. 70 minutes, they hardly score. So I will play it under 4. See, I'll play it under 4 because look at from 1 to 70 minutes, we have 3 goals. So definitely that's 20 minutes left. They can score up to 1 goal. Okay, so I'll play under 1, under 4. I mean, then Brazil have not scored through, so I'm not picking that. It's too low. It's 47 minutes, so we must get to 70 or 65. Like if you really want to play this, you check if they have under 4. You see under 3 is just 0.01. So I can't play that. So now 0.01. Let me just add it. Let's check if there is any other game. I'm not going to give this people under 1. If not, I would have picked it here. They gave under 0, which is a risk that I can't take. Okay. Let's check this one. Over 3, so I'm not going to play it. So I think that's how. That's why I said the best time of playing this game is weekend. When there's more game, then you can pick more and more. I have 1.11. Anyway, if you want to stake this, you stake 100,000. You say 100,000 on this. You see, you have have 111,000. See what I mean? I mean, there's 100,000. I would have staked this now. Okay, but let me just put this money. I'm gonna make this money grow. Just tutorial. I'm showing you, so you can take the risks yourself. You don't have to follow me up. Okay. Alright, I've played it again. So alright, this is how I roll. This is how I do my live game. Thank you. Just subscribe and you'll see more and more winning tips.